What you got in your bucket?
A bucket.
What's in your bucket? Who is that?
Ben.
Ben's in your bucket. Let's go.
You got a baby in your bucket?
Okay.
You got a baby bucket? Hello, baby in the bucket.
It's Disney. Hey, get the fun.
You gonna give that to Ben? Wanna give Ben a toy?
This. It's hot.
A car? Give it to Ben.
This.
Thank you, Jake.
Thank you. Can you go this way?
Okay.
That's what I was just taught. It's stuck.
You stuck?
This. I do.
There you go.
This way.
That is really cute. That team just keeps shutting down.
You run something over? There you go. Go this way. Bye, Ben.